I'm Chris Coghlin, President, CEO, and Chief Culture Officer of the Coghlin Companies. We're a privately held fourth-generation time-to-market services company, expert in the commercialization of industrial and capital equipment and FDA-compliant medical devices. Over the past 30 years, we've played a significant role in the successful commercialization of so many products for so many different companies. And we've affected industries such as life sciences, medical, 3D printing, semiconductor, warehousing and automation, and even security. This company is filled with the most passionate, talented, dedicated, and focused people imaginable. They're incredibly customer-centric. They know we're all here to create positive first impressions and exceptional customer experiences, and they just do it time after time, and I get to be a part of that. Once the Coghlin Companies ship a product, there is so much more that has to be done to continue for our customer to be successful. The product needs to be installed. It needs to be validated. The people operating it need to be trained. Ricoh does it better than anybody. Our relationship with Ricoh is extremely strategic. It allows the combined entity to go to market with a single commercialization services model. When you have a company that can design, manufacture, and globally fulfill complex products, and then you have a company who can complement those services with technical documentation creation, call center, installation, commissioning, validation, and break-fix services, you have the entire solution. There's a wonderful example of the power of the Coghlin Companies and Ricoh solution. Just after COVID, one of our customers has a security solution. They had an opportunity to go from hundreds of units to multiple thousands of units, but there's no way that they could possibly do all the installation and the training and the commission of these effectively. Then they met the Coghlin Ricoh solution. We engaged, we all focused on our core competencies, and collectively we deployed those thousands of units. Through our combined relationship with Ricoh, we really have the opportunity to collaborate with some of the most innovative companies in the world. Together we can commercialize products quicker than any other entity possibly can.